This is tutorial number 124, and it covers the drawing display within Catia v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 124, which is located on the DVD. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select and adjust some of the drawing display options. Now these options, you can turn them and toggle them on and off, and it just lets you adjust your drawings, the views, the positioning, and just how you're snapping everything together. So if you look down here, there's a sketcher grid. If we click it, we're able to turn it on and off, and we're able to snap points. So with this, you're also able to snap to points. So when you move stuff around, you can snap it to a point if you want to. Drawings, if you're drawing lines, if you're drawing dimensions, whatever it may be, you're able to snap it to points. Personally, I don't like any of the grids. I usually like to do everything freehand, so I turn all that stuff off. Now right now you have borders around each of these, and you need the borders to pick and drag and move them around. Now when you're done with the borders, you're able to select the display view frame, and you're able to turn it on and off. When you do that, you're not able to move your drawings anymore. When you turn it back on, you're able to move them. So you're able to set them in the position you want, then turn it off, and then you're able to go ahead and dimension and do everything that you need to do to your drawings. So these are just a couple display options. It's just a few that I personally, when I make my drawings, I need to turn on and off to adjust and just to get rid of some of the clutter on the drawing. And if you also notice, each drawing that you throw in, it will tell you what it is. It'll give you the title and the scale. Now, I like to get rid of all of them except the isometric one, so let's do that right now. Let's click and delete each of these titles under them. And for the isometric one, double click on it and get rid of the scale. Now, it says isometric view, but what I like to put on is I like to call it a pictorial view, because that's really what it is, and you don't have to put a scale to it because it's just a pictorial view of the part, and that's exactly what the isometric view is. So type that in, click OK, and now you have pictorial view under your isometric. So this is just a few little display options and little things that I like to do for my own drawing. It just helps me set it up a lot easier, a lot quicker, and gives me the results that I want. And that concludes our tutorial on the drawing display within Catia v5.